Alright, here we go. So, going to be running a GoPro on my shoulder for this video. Hopefully the footage is good. It's not letting me view the footage, which I don't understand. But, whatever. Okay, what we're going to do is actually replace these lights on the back bumper because these ones always go out. And it seems to be always the passenger side. So, we're going to change this out. I'll buff it out later. I got a little mark. Buddy gave this to me. It's an extra one he had. I haven't tested to see if it works, but we are going to find out when we hook it up. So, we're going to be using a 10 mil. I got to take these off. And cut the zip tie. Not a fan of these tabs because then it puts holes in the bumper, but so I guess I'm not using the phone for the other recording, which I probably should. Let me hook that up. Run a double footage. Here. Wait. Yeah, how you doing? Video. Record from that too. Alright, let's get this going. So, take those off. There is, I don't think I need that. I need to replace that plastic clip here. Alright, so pop the bumper off. 10 mil. Oh, that was loose. So one off. One here. Should be able to slip it through. Yeah, there it is. So, just a clip with another 10 mil where this will be at. So I gotta get the, oh, we can pull it right here. So, the 10 mil right here. There we go. So, we'll go here, and then it should just fall out now. I'll just hit the clip and disconnect it. Okay, come on. There we go. And then this little clip, hopefully you guys can see it on the GoPro. Pop it, and then that should release. I should pop it from the inside. There we go. So that's off. Old one, new one. So pop this in now. And there. And the nut. Tighten it. Do a little ugga-duggas. Pop the clip in. Get it in. And we'll put the bumper back on. Easy peasy. Here. shit. Gotta get the bumper to go right because of these little round sleeves here. This will clear the bumper. Lift it a little bit. There we go. And then the other one's underneath the car. There it is. One more. This one was kind of off. Alright, and then we'll probably put that one's there. I'm going to put the zip tie. Let me get my backpack. The zip tie is in there. And you have it in the back. Yes, I do. I think I need a zip tie in the front and back, so let me pull that out. Alright, so give that extra leverage. Pull my knife. And then we put on the rubber. Oh shit, where did I put it? Up here it is. Slap this over it. And then I have one more that was missing, a zip tie. Driver's side. Yep, this one's full of hanging. So cut that. Alright, so that is done. Stop that. And then we'll check the light, see if it turns on. So I'll set this one up to see if it turns on. And we'll hit record. Turn on the lights. Come on, big money. That one's working. And this one is not. So this one's a bad one too. Damn. All that for nothing. I have to figure out what's going on. So I took the whole bumper off. If you guys want to know, my exhaust is a strip. Looks like. So this is the clip that powers both sides. What I'm going to do is take the left, test it on the right, and see what happens. So let me go ahead and do that now. Turn on the light. Let's see if that one lights up now. Does not light up. I have a wiring issue somewhere. Troubleshoot this now. Alright, so what I found was there's a pin crooked in there. So I'm gonna straighten out that pin and hopefully that'll fix the issue. So let's see how that works. Alright, so I got the pin straightened. I'm gonna plug it back in and we'll see if it'll give power to this. Crossing fingers because I don't know nothing about wiring. It only gives power to that side, but not this side, so we'll find out. And there we go. So it was a pin, not that. Okay, I thought I was making a video on how to swap these out. Turns out it was the pin the whole time. Oh, hell yeah. Well, let me test that one too then. Let's find out if that one's good. Yes, sir, that one's good. Oh, yeah, that one works too. So I got two of them that are working. So it was just a pin. Alright, I must have hit a bump and freaking pulled something. Alright, let me put everything back together now. Hell yeah. Alright, so I had to drill that out because I snapped the damn fucking head off. And yep, that's what happened. Drilled it, and luckily I used a little flathead and was able to spin it out, so gotta get another screw to replace that. But everything works. Now let me try to put everything back. So done. And we'll come back and check at nighttime and make sure all the lights are working on here. So see you guys at nighttime. And we are good. Light is working in the camera. Check all the lights. I did get a belt squeal down. I'm gonna have to put that kit on I have. Lights are working. Let's go. Hazards.